Q8973. What is the purpose of the distributor valve in a de-icing system utilizing Deicer boots? A. To equalize the air pressure to the left and right wings. B. To control the Deicer boots' inflations symmetrically. C. To distribute anti-icing fluid to the Deicer boots. The correct answer is B. The distributor valve in a de-icing system with Deicer boots is responsible for controlling the inflation sequence of the Deicer boots. It ensures that the boots inflate and deflate symmetrically on both wings of the aircraft. This symmetrical inflation helps remove accumulated ice evenly and maintains the aerodynamic balance of the aircraft. Because the distributor valve's main function is to distribute the air pressure to the Deicer boots in a synchronized manner, ensuring that they inflate and deflate symmetrically on both wings. Q8980. What is the purpose of the oil separator in the pneumatic deicing system? A. To protect the deicer from oil deterioration. B. To remove oil from the air exhausted from the deicer boots. C. To prevent an accumulation of oil in the vacuum system. The correct answer is A. In wing thermal anti-icing systems, there are two common methods used to prevent ice formation on the wings. One method involves utilizing heated bleed air from the turbine engine compressor. The high-temperature air is extracted from the compressor section and directed to specially designed ducts or channels in the wings. The hot air is then distributed through a series of small holes or porous panels on the leading edges of the wings. This continuous flow of heated air prevents ice from forming on the wing surfaces. Alternatively, some aircraft installations may employ electrically heated elements for wing anti-icing. These elements are typically integrated into the leading edges of the wings and are designed to generate heat when activated. Electrical power is supplied to these elements, which then generate heat to raise the temperature of the wing surfaces and prevent ice accumulation. Both methods serve the purpose of maintaining the wing surfaces at a temperature above the freezing point, thereby preventing ice from adhering to the wings during flight. The specific choice of using either heated bleed air or electrically heated elements depends on the aircraft design, system requirements, and operational considerations. Q8981. Where are the heating elements located on most aircraft with electrically heated windshields? A. Laminated in the glass. B. Attached to the glass. C. Inside the windshield frame. The correct answer is A. In most aircraft with electrically heated windshields, the heating elements are laminated in the glass. This means that the heating elements are sandwiched between layers of glass, providing uniform heat distribution across the windshield surface. Laminating the heating elements in the glass helps to prevent delamination, protect the elements from damage, and ensure efficient heating of the windshield during icing conditions. Q8982. Two possible sources of heat for the operation of a wing thermal anti-icing system are A. First stage of the air cycle turbine and turbo compressor. B. Compressor air and aircraft electrical system. C. Combustion heater and exhaust gases. The correct answer is B. A distributor valve in a deicer system is a critical component that controls the application of vacuum to deicer boots, which are rubber sleeves or panels installed on aircraft leading edges. The valve receives input signals and selectively directs vacuum to the appropriate boots, allowing them to inflate and deflate in a cyclic manner to remove ice. When no deicing is needed, the valve redirects vacuum away from the boots, keeping them tightly pressed against the leading edges to maintain aerodynamic efficiency. This valve's role is crucial in ensuring effective deicing operation and enhancing aircraft safety in icing conditions. Q8983. What maintains normal windshield temperature control in an electrically heated windshield system? A. Thermal overheat switches. B. Thermistors. C. Manually controlled rheostat. The correct answer is B. In an electrically heated windshield system, Normal windshield temperature control is maintained using thermistors. Thermistors are temperature-sensitive resistors that detect the temperature of the windshield. They provide feedback to the control system, which adjusts the power supply to the heating elements based on the detected temperature. This feedback control mechanism allows for precise temperature regulation of the windshield, ensuring efficient ice removal and maintaining optimal visibility for the pilot.